And welcome to 5G High-End Health, where I help men over 40 live to at least 100 happy, healthy, fit, and strong. Today we're going to talk about autophagy and how to live longer and healthier with autophagy. First, let's explain a little bit about exactly what autophagy is and why you might want to increase it, especially if you're interested in health and longevity. Then I'll explain the easiest way to increase it. So in basic terms, autophagy is a cellular process that involves the breakdown and recycling of damaged or unnecessary cellular components. The word autophagy comes from the Greek words auto, meaning self, and phagi, that means eating. Essentially, autophagy is a self-eating process that helps cells maintain their health and adapt to various stressors. During autophagy, a double membrane structure called an autophagosome forms around the targeted cellular material, which is illustrated in this really cool image to the left. Now, it gets a little technical here, but just hang in here with me just for a minute. This damaged cellular debris includes damaged organelles, misfolded proteins, or other misbehaving stuff. The autophagosome then fuses with a lysosome, forming an autolysosome. Within the autolysosome, the enclosed material is then broken down and degraded by enzymes in the lysosome. What's left are products like amino acids and fatty acids that can be recycled and reused by the cell to generate new energy and building blocks. This process of autophagy serves some really important functions in cells and organisms. Number one, it acts kind of like a cellular quality control. Autophagy helps eliminate damaged and malfunctioning organelles and proteins, maintaining cellular health and preventing the accumulation of toxic substances. Number two, it helps adaptation to stress. During fasting or other stress conditions, autophagy allows cells to generate energy and sustain essential functions by breaking down and recycling cellular components. Number three, it helps in development and differentiation. Autophagy plays a role in various developmental processes and cellular differentiation, helping to sculpt tissues and eliminate unnecessary structures. And number four, it boosts the immune system. Autophagy is also involved in the immune response, facilitating the removal of intracellular pathogens and contributing to the presentation of antigens to the immune system. Research suggests that dysregulation of autophagy is associated with various diseases, including neurodegenerative diseases, cancer, and metabolic diseases. On the flip side, though, there's a lot of research suggesting that purposely increasing autophagy could have huge benefits in terms of overall health and longevity. And the simplest way to increase autophagy is through fasting. Yes, longer fasts can be super beneficial, but shorter fasts can also be powerful. The easiest way to start is by a simple fast called intermittent fasting. All you have to do is gradually extend the time after your last meal in the evening and your first meal the next day. You can start with 12 hours and then gradually increase that time between those two meals to 14 or 16 hours, depending on your goals and how your body responds. I had a patient recently that told me after just a few months of intermittent fasting that his blood work never looked better. Now, if you have any additional questions, you can ask them below, or if you'd like to learn more about me, how to work with me, or ask any other questions you might have, head on over to 5ghighendhealth.com.